Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I'm taking a look at this really cool portable charger. It's a wireless power bank from a company called Excitrus. So this is the NitroCharge 120 Pro, which is a 120 watt magnetic wireless power bank. Basically, should have enough juice in this thing to charge pretty much everything, right? If you want to charge your MacBook or your computer, you want to charge iPads, phones, watch, all that kind of stuff, you can definitely charge it through this charger. Now I do have to thank Excitrus for sending this over to the channel for an unboxing and an unbiased review. They didn't tell me I had to say any specific thing here, so I'm just going to give my honest opinion and just kind of review. I will have to apologize. The box kind of got ripped in shipping. It was a little bit loose in an outer box, so kind of got tore up. So for the unboxing part here, you'll have to kind of make believe and pretend that this is not all damaged. So I'm just going to kind of go over a little bit of the specs here. So it does have built-in magnets as well. So if you have an iPhone, a more recent iPhone with MagSafe, you should be able to have the phone kind of stick to the charger while it's charging, which is nice. Has a 100 watt power delivery 3.0 output jack, so that should work really great with things like laptops, MacBooks, things like that. Here's some stats. I don't really know of the actual numbers here. That says 60% USB laptop charge in an hour, 85% smartphone charge in an hour. You can recharge this device itself in an hour. So, probably those will all depend on what you're charging and all of that. But the gist of it is here, there is a USB-A port. It has an 18 watt quick charge output. There's a 45 watt power delivery fast charging output. One of the USB-C ports, and then the other USB-C port can support up to 100 watt power delivery fast charging, input and output, and 44 watt PPS high-speed charging for Samsung phones. And then there's actually a battery level percentage display on the side as well. So we'll basically open this up and take a look. Now the capacity of this comes in at 25,600 milliamp hours, which is pretty good. Now I have looked at a few other of these bigger power banks on the channel. I'll link to those, either in the description or the card above. But none of the ones that I've looked at have had, the wireless charging, which is nice. And overall, this just seems like it's really well made. So there's some instructions here. There's a USB-C cable on both ends for charging it. And you can use this probably as well, obviously, to charge your devices. But this is the device itself. So you can see it has this kind of fabric cover on it. Kind of feels nice. Has a bit of a plastic, kind of chrome plastic looking shiny band around there. It's got a plus where the wireless charging piece is. It's got a little button on the side, and as you can see, it has the 18 watt USB-A and 2 USB-C cables. So as I said, this is compatible with MagSafe. So I don't know if you can see that. I really don't know if you can see it here, but there is like a little LED or LCD display here. It says 27%. So this thing is 27% charged. I don't know. You probably can't see it. It's like right there. But yeah, so this is the device. So like I said, this works with MagSafe for iPhones. Wireless charging. The wireless charging is a 10 watt wireless charging. Has the skin cover fabric. The capacity, like I said before, 26,800 milliamp hours. Total output of 120 watts. The USB-C output is 100 watt. USB-C input is 100 watt. It takes about an hour and a half to charge at that rate. It's Quick Charge 3 compatible. Can charge a MacBook Pro 16-inch at full speed charging using that 100 watt power delivery port. And the current price of this, I'm not really 100% sure at the time of recording this, but I'll put it on the screen, what the price is today, and where you can get this and everything. But yeah, I mean, it's not too heavy. I mean, obviously, when you're talking about power banks and this size, you know, they're going to be kind of meaty because they got a lot of battery capacity. Yeah, but overall, you know, pretty compact feeling. The only thing I'll say is if you're really OCD about fingerprints on stuff, this edge will definitely collect fingerprints. So from a wireless charging perspective, I plop the AirPods on there. You can see the little light lights up. So this is the AirPod wireless charging case. If I take the iPhone 12 Pro Max, put that on there, see that it does start charging. It shows that it is charging. And I mean, obviously this is not gonna stick on here so much that you can turn the phone on its side or anything and have it stick, but you can feel it, like when you put it down, it does align to the charger. And then obviously starts charging. So you can charge it while you also charge other things. So you can plug in your laptop, you can plug in other devices. If you want to charge your Apple Watch, obviously you'll need the little adapter so that you can put your watch on the Apple Watch magnetic charger. But you should be able to use this for everything. Now I did test this, so I call this an unboxing, but I did open it up earlier just to test it out. And the reason why it is like 26% is because I was charging my MacBook Pro. I have a 16-inch MacBook Pro. And I was using the 100-watt power delivery port to charge it, and it was charging it perfectly fine. So definitely if you're looking for something that you can take with you, put in your travel bag or your backpack, and you know, power a ton of devices, and you know, with a pretty big reserve capacity, this might be something worth taking a look at. And the fact that it has the wireless charging and you know, the high output and all of that, and the ability to charge up really fast using the USB-C, makes this a pretty compelling offering, I think, from Excitrus. So definitely very nice power bank. So if you have any questions about this, go ahead and post those below. I'll link to this in the description. Like I said, really nice power bank. And I will be definitely using this one because of the wireless charge feature. None of my other power banks do have that feature, so that's really nice. And it looks really cool too. I like the color. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.